Knock, knock. Who's there? Anyone? There you go. Can you hear me? We have 3 minutes live. Hello. Wow, 1,000. Nag-aantay rin ba kayo ng concert? Kami rin naghihintay. Hello po. Hi. So ngayon po, special ano to? Behind the scene live. Naayusan po ang mga other members. May mini-makeupan si Sejun, naayusan ang box si Stel, and 1 hour na lang. Hindi ko nakikita yung oras, pero alam ko 1 hour na lang. Concerta na, rock and roll. Hello po. So, meron pa po kayong oras until 2 PM extended ang pagbili ng ewan ko sa'yo. Meron pa extended ang pagbili ng tickets until 2 PM. So, don't miss it. May oras pa. I have 2 minutes pa, okay? Gusto niyo bang makita pa mini-makeupan si Sejun? Ayaw daw ni Sejun. Ikaw, Stel, gusto mo bang makita pag inaayusan ka? Mahihirapan daw ako. Naririnig niyo naman boses nila, di ba? Pwede na ba yun? Ayan, tinatawag ako ni Josh. Bakit?
Wala kang black socks?
Binigyan tayo black socks.
Hindi, yung manipis lang.
Ulo. Suot ko. Kita nyo, binuburaot ako ni Josh. Kitang-kita yan sa live, oh.
Ba't binibideo call mo yung mga yan?
So, ayan, meron pa 3 minutes lang to eh. So, ayan po, pag bumili po kayo ng ticket, portion po ng kikitain ng concert na ito ay i-donate sa mga nangangailangan po dahil sa mga nangyari ngayong recent na kaganapan. I have 1 minute left po. Mga 40 seconds left. 42, 40. Dahil hindi rin pa ako nakaayos. Kailangan ko po mag-make up and konting buhok. Tapos, go, go, go. Ano po, magbasa tayo. Show BT. Nag-comment si Show BT. Active. Tickets are still available via global.live/events/SB9til until 2 PM today. So go get your ticket. I have 10 seconds.
Already?
8, 11. I need to say goodbye.
Got your tickets?
Got your tickets already? Bye-bye. Time's up. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. See you later. Paano to exit?
Already?
Halo, what's up? May nanonood na. Hello guys. Nakabili na daw po kayo ng ticket. Sabi ng staff namin, bili na daw kayo kasi 1 hour na lang daw natitira. Pag di pa daw kayo bumili, yari daw kayo. Susumbong ko ba?
Name drop.
Parang gusto ko mag-name drop yari talaga yun. Pero yun nga, bilhin na kayo guys, mura lang. Online selling to. Please say hello to Philippines. Hi Philippines, what's up? Wala po kaming ticket. Oh no, wala daw silang ticket. Sige lang.
I-live na lang natin.
Deadline na, ulol. Oh no. Oh, I'm hurt. Joke lang. May tag na ay mang labay direct ticket oy. Menta maigo pa sa ticket. Yun nga, have fun mamaya guys sa lahat ng sa lahat ng 18 tsaka kahit di man 18 sa lahat ng gustong manood. have fun, and sana magustuhan nyo rin yung mga performance na ipapakita naman sa inyo mamaya. Kasi may mga new performances naman kami. Yeah.
Okay, tanong kilikili mo.
Kilikili ko? No! Ano ba sabihin ko?
Ano daw may kita nila sa perf mo mamaya?
Makikita na sa perf ko mamaya. Si Ken, nag-perform.
Okay.
Siyempre. Hi guys, makikita nyo ako mamaya sa performance namin. Nood kayo
Wala ka bang ipapakita?
Show BTPH joined. Oh. Nanonood din si Show BT. Ayos to Hello. Hello po. Hello. Liligo na ako. Oras na. Para bumitaw. Pangalawang bitaw. Inggit ako. Okay lang yan. Makakanood din kayo. So, guys, ayun na. Mag-ready na kami. Bye-bye. See you later. Have fun. Pakasaya kayo.
Wala pang ganun. Hi po. Hi guys. So we have 799 viewers. Hey po. Bale, we have 15 minutes before our concert officially start. And right now, I'm finished with everything, with my makeup, with my hair, my costume. I'm done with everything right now. I'm just waiting for everyone to be ready before we start. And yeah, right now, actually, Sejin is fixing his hair. And you can't hear me? Hi everyone, you can't hear me? Oh, I'm sorry. So, that's what I'm saying earlier. I'm finished doing everything, and I'm just waiting for everyone to be ready and done with everything, and we will go backstage to prepare. So yeah, thank you so much. She said that I look amazing. Thank you so much. Ang lalit? What's lalit? So I think we have 13 minutes before our concert officially start, and I hope you guys have your tickets already so that you can watch our concert. Yes, to all 18 all around the world who will watch our concert, we hope that you guys are ready, because we will gonna show you the other side of SB19, and we hope that you guys will enjoy a performance for today. We share English meaning our
Yes, because we have international viewers, that's why I'm speaking in English. Yeah. Pero para po sa ating mga Pinoy 18 na nanonood, maraming salamat po. Abangan niyo po kami. And right now I have 30 seconds before I cut this IG live, and yeah, I'm wishing that this concert will be successful, and I hope that 18 will be happy with our performances, and hope to see you very soon and watch our concert today. Okay, speak Korean. 왜요? 네. 저는 SB19의 Heavenly Voice 10입니다. 네, 감사합니다. 안녕. Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye. We love you. How to end? Bye.
Hi guys. I don't know, viewers. Hi guys. We have, hintayin natin mag 1,000. We have 400, 500. Hindi ka hindi ka na makatiis mag-live. 30 minutes left before our concert, guys. If you don't have tickets, hanggang 2 p.m. pa yung yung pagbili ng tickets, so get it online so you wouldn't miss it. Hello everyone. Anong gusto niyo hairstyle ko ngayon? So, ayun po.
Ba't may meow?
Si Sejun. Galit na naman. Galit na naman. Nakasimangot.
Ha? Ay, hala. Naman ako, hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko naman na pinakita.
Hello? Ay, sorry po.
Magandang hairstyle yung bunot style. Eh kung bunutin ko kayo. Manifesting. Puro kayo joke and TikTok. No.
Dadaan ako dyan.
Oh, so ayun guys, we have a few minutes left. Huwag nyo kalimutan manood ng concert namin later. At sigurado mag-enjoy kayo sa mga prepare namin. We love you so much. Kailangan ko na mag-prepare talaga. As much as I would want to talk to you guys, pero nagmamadali na ako. Bye-bye. I love you. Mga last habilin. Last habilin. Yung iba kakapasok pa lang eh. Bye-bye guys. See you later.
Hello. Kumusta kayo? Are you guys ready for our concert? Hello everyone. Ayos lang yan.
Baka pwede yung iba. Kasi iba yung pinagsamahan namin.
Hello R. Hello from.
Thank you.
Hi there Gia. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but hello from. Sorry.
Ito na parang pwede siyang
Nakita niyo yun? Lupit, diba? Ano? Pakisabi ni Cassie, tapusin na yung modules mo. Oy, Cassie, tapusin mo na modules mo.
Anong hair mo pala?
Ay, sleek lang po. Parang naka bobby pin lang dito. Tapos, hindi po parted sa gitna. Parang ganyan lang. Ayan po. Open ear. Ganyan po. Tapos, para i-clip lang. Para po hindi gumagalaw-galaw.
Okay lang, medyo lalagyan ko lang siya ng cream pero hindi naman matigas.
Okay
Para
lang.
lang mas malinis.
Okay po. Sige. Say hi, Patricia. Hi, Patricia. Hello. How are you guys? Sabihin mo, hi Ezra.
naiiyak ka? Huwag ka umiyak. Hello, Lorraine. Hi, Rem and Ricardo. Notice me, please. Hi, it's not Isabel. No, you look sir. Sejun, sorry, hindi ako makakanood. It's fine. Marami pang concert. I have 5 seconds left. See you guys later. Bye-bye.